Firstly, we are looking at part C, D, and E in Starlight for our report about comparing lives. Now, we're just going to look at the grammar part. And the grammar part, we're looking at our conjunctions. Now, we know the conjunctions are, it's a conjunction is a word that joins sentences together. So, such as we could have a conjunction like because. So, I went to the shop because I was hungry. But a conjunction of time would give us information about why, like we went to it when it happened. So it's giving us more information in the sentence about when something happened. So I could say I went to the shop when I was hungry. I went to the shop while I was hungry. I went to the shop to get some food before dinner. Okay, so our conjunction of time. So can you think of any? So we could have some during. So I was tired. I watched a film. I was tired during the film. We have until. So let me think. Let's think of one with until. I'll wait with you until your parents come, okay? So just little things like that. So we have little words like during, until, when, after, before, while, since, right? So in our book Starlight, as you can see, we have it says write a paragraph using one of the conjunctions of time to fill each gap. So Saoirse had just stepped outside. She stopped in surprise. Okay, so Saoirse had just stepped outside when she stopped in surprise. Maybe after she stopped in surprise. Before she stopped in surprise and while she stopped in surprise, okay? It was a few moments blank she could take in what she was looking at. So it was a few moments when she could take in what she was looking at, after, before. Okay, so we're going to try to match all of these words. We're going to put one word into each blank. Then what I want you to do is write the sentences adding more information after the conjunctions. Now, with these conjunctions and sentences, I want you to put as much detail in as you possibly can. And then it says write sentences using the conjunctions before and after. So you're going to come up with your own sentences. Now, nice and quickly, we're just going to have a look at the part about vocabulary, part D. Choose the most suitable word to complete each sentence. Academic, contrast, pulses, organisation, outback and veranda. Now, a lot of these words you actually had to look up for work yesterday. So we should know the meaning of these words by now. Okay? And I just want to think, what are contrasting places? So write sentences about two contrasting places. So what does that word contrasting mean? So contrasting places are two very different places. So can you think of any two places that are really different? Maybe it's somewhere that you've gone on a holiday. Maybe it's somewhere you've read about. Maybe it is the life that we read about in Aleppo. Maybe it's about the life that the children have in India, in Australia, okay? Lots of different things. So I want you all to do this. And then for our vocabulary part, you're going to fill that part in, okay? So you're going to do these parts in your copy now. So Mashiv, well done.